Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is lecture number 3. Okay, and this is for 3rd November 2020. और आपके जो क्लास टाइमिंग्स थे वो थे आज today for 9:30. After going through this Lewis structures, okay, after going through these Lewis structures, now the next part, which is very important, is to understand what is meant by formal charge. Okay, what is meant by formal charge? Okay, let's recall the previous information. जैसे कि हमने कहा, मैंने आपसे explain किया कि there are two types of electrons. ठीक है, within the atom there are two types of electrons. The inside electrons, they are known as core electrons and the valence electrons. So first of all, let me show you that what is meant by the core electrons and what is meant by the this is valence electrons. For example, if we have this, if we have this carbon, because carbon is very important in chemistry, in organic chemistry. So carbon ka jo, if you look at the periodic table, so it is present in the group 4. So the valence shells which are present, they are like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We place the electrons like this because this is as per the Hund's rule, as per the Pauli exclusion principle. So carbon की जब हम valence shell लिखते हैं, तो valence shell according to the Lewis, you first put the symbol of the element, ठीक है, and then distribute the electrons. Now the question is why we are distributing 4 electrons over here. Where are the 2 electrons? तो आपको याद होगा कि फर्स्ट ऑर्बिटल जो होता है आपका 1s, ठीक है, उसमें आप 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अकोमोडेट करते हैं, राइट? 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर अकोमोडेटेड इन 1s2. फिर हम सेकंड स्टेप लेवल पे आते हैं, विच इज 2s2. अगेन यू कैन सी दैट 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, और इसके बाद आपका जो सेकंड एनर्जी लेवल है वहां पे आपके पास 2p भी है. So अब P को जब हम resonate करते हैं, when we resonate, तो we further find 3 directions, X, Y and Z. तो total जो कार्बन का जो atomic number है, that is the number of protons, वो इसका आ जाता है 6, right? So 2 accommodate हो गए आपके इधर, 2 accommodate in the first shell, 2 accommodate in the second 2s, 2 are left. I will write over here. Okay, I will write over here. Now this first shell, which is complete duplet, this is called the core electrons. Okay, complete है. अब जो आपका second shell है यहाँ पे वो incomplete है. Incomplete shell cannot be called core shell, या उसके जो electrons है they are never be called core electrons. Incomplete shell जो है means के इस पे maximum number of electrons जो हैं that would be 8. क्योंकि हमने ऑक्टेट रूल को फॉलो करना है. हमने कौन सा रूल फॉलो करना है? हमने करना है ऑक्टेट रूल, राइट? सो अगर हम इसको लेके जाएं लाइक दिस, तो क्या ये इसके ऊपर, लेट मी सी के ऑक्टेट रूल, तो हम ऑक्टेट मींस 8. सो टारगेट हमारा क्या है? 8. किसका टारगेट 8 है? मेजॉरिटी ऑफ दी जो एलिमेंट्स हैं जिनके इनकम्प्लीट वैलेंस शेल हैं, they want to become isoelectronic with noble gases. Noble gases, they are present in group 8, okay, of the periodic table, and their valence, there is no valence shell because the first shell duplet and then the octet, they are completed, so that's why they are stable. और हर एटम की ये जो है, it's the effort to be isoelectronic with the noble gases. जैसे हाइड्रोजन जो है वो हीलियम को आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक करना चाहता है, इसी तरह लिथियम जो है वो भी हीलियम को करना चाहता है. So with the further explanation I will give you in the upcoming lectures. तो ये आपके जो है वो core electrons हैं, the shell in which the electrons are either duplet or octet. When you go to the second shell, it has 4 electrons, and the carbon, the 4 electrons I have distributed around the symbol of the carbon as per the Hund's rule as well as the Pauli exclusion principle. Okay, so I hope you understood this thing very well. Okay, what is meant by the core electrons and valence electrons. So next move to the slide. Next we go for the formal charge. So हमारा इस वक्त जो target है वो formal charge है. Formal charge होता है कि after writing the Lewis structures, because what is the Lewis structure? Lewis structure is a structure in which bonding and non-bonding, all the electrons are shown. ठीक है, sometimes the electron density is there is a deficiency of electron density, and sometimes there is surplus electron density. So the efficiency of the electron deficiency is shown by plus sign, and surplus agar electron density hai, so that is represented by negative sign. So plus charge or negative charge पूरा molecule के ऊपर होता है या atom के ऊपर होता है, that is called the formal charge. So formal charge is the charge which is calculated for an atom in a Lewis structure on the basis of an equal sharing of bonding pairs. Equal sharing करनी है. अब हम इसकी example directly करते हैं so that you can understand what is meant by formal charge. तो हम nitric acid की example ले रहे हैं. Nitric acid is made up of 3 oxygens, 1 nitrogen and 1 hydrogen. Now you can see that this hydrogen is connected to oxygen. Now this oxygen is connected to hydrogen as well as to nitrogen. This nitrogen is doubly bonded to oxygen and singly bonded to this oxygen. Now you can focus the number of lone pairs. Here there is no lone pair. In this oxygen, okay, in this oxygen, you can see 2 lone pairs. In this oxygen, you can see 2 lone pairs. In this oxygen, you can see 3 lone pairs. Okay, so lone pairs bhi aapne jo hai wo dekh liye, right? Right. Now we come to the formal charge. So hum bit by bit, I mean atom by atom, we will calculate the formal charge for each atom in this Lewis structures. Now, what is the main point? Main point आपका ये होता है, अब आपने देखना है कि सबसे पहले हम हाइड्रोजन को चेक करेंगे, ठीक? Okay, let's see the hydrogen. ठीक है? Hydrogen is giving you only 1 electron, right? Hydrogen is giving you 1 electron, and this is the 1 electron. The other electron of this is shared by the oxygen, and we are not interested in this. So what is the status of hydrogen? The status of hydrogen is this: it's sharing, offering, and it is sharing 1 electron. So neutral state में hydrogen के valence shell में how many electrons are there? Only 1. Here only 1. ना तो gain है ना loss है, so there will be no charge on this hydrogen. Assign 1 electron to hydrogen and 1 electron to oxygen. A neutral hydrogen atom has 1 electron. Therefore, the formal charge of hydrogen atom in nitric acid is 0. Now we focus to this oxygen. Okay, now we focus to this oxygen. Now in this oxygen, there are 2 lone pairs and 1 electron is here. That is represented by oxygen and that is represented by oxygen. So आप देखें कि ऑक्सीजन के यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितने हैं? 6. ठीक है, ये 6 जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं इसके न्यूट्रल स्टेट में इसके कितने होते हैं वैलेंस शेल में? 6. तो इसके पूरे हैं, ना ज्यादा ना कम. सो देयर विल बी नो फॉर्मल चार्ज. अब हम इस ऑक्सीजन की तरफ आ रहे हैं. Okay, now we come to this oxygen. Now you will see here that this oxygen is contributing 1 electron here and 1 electron here. So total there are 6 electrons of oxygen. Neutral state mein oxygen is having 6 electrons. So there is Therefore, the formal charge on oxygen is again 0. Now we come to this portion. Okay. Now you can see that this oxygen is contributing this electron over here. Now you count the electron. You see that there are 7 electrons. Neutral state में oxygen के कितने होते हैं electrons? 6, right? तो 6 में एक ज़्यादा है, तो इसलिए that's why it has one full negative charge. Now we come to nitrogen. Nitrogen ये electrons contribute कर रही है. How many electrons nitrogen कर रही है? 4. Neutral state में nitrogen के valence shell में how many electrons are there? 5. तो कितने less हैं? 1. So this nitrogen will have this one positive charge. So this is the formal charge by which you can calculate. Okay. ये आपका formal charge. So this is how you can calculate the formal charge. Now let's move to some more examples. Okay, let's see. For example, here, यहाँ पे hydrogen 1 electron दे रही है. This hydrogen is also contributing 1 electron. This hydrogen is also contributing 1 electron. This hydrogen is also contributing 1 electron. So valence shell जो neutral state में hydrogen का, there is only 1 electron, so there will be no charge on hydrogen. Now what about the nitrogen? Let's have some other figures. Okay, color. This nitrogen giving this electron, this electron, this electron, and this electron. Now you can see that 4 nitrogen is offering 4 electrons. In the neutral state, the valence shell has 5 electrons. 1 electron is missing, so we put this positive charge. So this is the ammonium cation. Now we come to BF4. Now you can see that electrons are contributed by this fluorine like this. ठीक है, तो 7 electrons जो हैं हर फ्लोरीन के आउटर मोस्ट ऑर्बिटल में है, और न्यूट्रल स्टेट में इस फ्लोरीन के जो वैलेंस शेल है उसमें 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं, तो कोई ज्यादा नहीं है. ठीक है, देयर विल बी नो फॉर्मल चार्ज. लेकिन इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द बोरॉन, तो बोरॉन एक ये इलेक्ट्रॉन कंट्रीब्यूट कर रही है, दिस वन एंड दिस वन. So in doing so, you can see that 1 electron is missing, and so boron का कितना है? 3 होता है मेरा ख्याल. 4. ठीक है, 3 होता है उसके इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, तो ये एक ज्यादा है, तो हमने इसके ऊपर -1 का चार्ज कर दिया. Right? So this is how we calculate the formal charges. Next जो हमारा टॉपिक होगा इंशाल्लाह, that will be, it's about the structures, how to write the structures. तो मैं अभी इसको अपलोड करती हूँ. So I hope कि आपको समझ आ गई होगी यहाँ तक. Thank you so much.